Hey, it's your girl, the Melanated High Priestess, coming back at you with more carbonation awareness. Yes, people, we are back at it again. Once again. Yes. Because I'm coming with that heat and coming with that thunder. Ready to take Mr. Eligio Bishop under. Yes, so let's go ahead and get it in. I saw this clip on Instagram, okay, that Nature Boy posted, which I found very interesting. And the reason why I find it interesting, because I peep game. I see exactly what you are doing, Nature Boy. I do. I see you, boo. I see you. So we're going to go ahead and watch the footage of the act, the fake fuckery. And then we're going to go ahead and break that shit down and do what we do best. And then we're going to raise our levels of awareness about this situation over at Carbonation. So without further ado, people, let's get it in. So we have on Instagram, not only did Miss Velvet have a waiting to exhale moment, but it seems like all of Carbonation has decided to stand in solidarity of this exhale moment of Miss Velvet Marquez. So we have a lovely, happy, fake family portrait of them showing that they're standing with their quote-unquote chiefess. And you see all of their happy fake smiles, looking like they're really with this shit. But deep down inside, you know all of those females are like, damn it, Velvet! You see what you did? I liked my hair. But no, you just couldn't act right. Just couldn't act right. Or Nature Boy just couldn't act right, because we all know it's very likely that he cut off all of her hair to demote her and to put her in her place, to let her know that he can take her crown at any time by taking her crowning glory of hair. But let's go ahead and play the clip now. The shocking moment when Velvet fucking realizes that, oh my God, I'm not the only bald one in Carbonation now. Let's go ahead and play the clip.
So you just woke up and you in a new universe now.
Okay, well, I just had to pause it real quick. That look on her face was like, oh shit. Has everybody lost their mind in Carbonation? Am I not the only one? Oh my God, I'm not alone. I'm not alone. Let's continue.
Oh, but it ain't over. It ain't over. Come forward. We having the ritual tonight, baby. You know what it is. Took it down. We all fucked the bad.
Nah, my nigga, nah. Your hair was already fucked up, okay? Don't act like we didn't see all that shit in the front part fucking fading away. Let's be real. You want to have a real nigga moment? What really happened to those front dreads? Did it get yanked out? Because I know for a fucking fact that that spat that went down over at Carbonation was not the first fucking time. Was not. But let's go ahead and continue on, watching the fake, happy romance stage of this cycle of abuse.
So you just woke up and you in a new. All out here gonna grow together. You heard? Squad. We a unit, we a family, we gonna grow together. We're as strong as our weakest link. We're here to support you. Come close. Come in. Come on in. Group up.
I can't help myself, but do you guys see Ifuru's line up right there? Now they know they are dead ass wrong for that shit. You know her front didn't look like that when she had her hair. Somebody done fucked up her lining. That is real messed up, you guys. That is real messed up. Ifuru, you ought to be pissed off for that shit. Let's continue. Bravo, Nature Boy. Bravo for that fucking Academy act. Okay? I see you and I peep you. So let's go ahead and just break this shit down. So we have on www.freedomwithinsite.wordpress.com /the abuse cycle. So again, that's freedomwithinsite.wordpress.com /the abuse cycle. Let's raise our levels of awareness, people. So let's go ahead and break down and go through the different cycles, the different phases of abuse, so that we can gain a better understanding of the situation that we have unfolding in front of our eyes. So we have the tension stage. And also keep in mind, this cycle is repeated over and over and over and over until someone gains clarity and decides that this is a toxic situation. This is not safe for me. This is not safe for my physical. This is not safe for my mental. It's time to get the fuck out. And then we have those that unfortunately will face a fatality because they did not get out sooner. So let's break down these cycles. So we have tension. This feels like walking on eggshells. Nothing is right. There is no way to predict what the abuser wants. While there may not be physical violence, or at least physical violence is minimum, there is emotional abuse, intimidation, and threats. Fear of violence is often as coercion as violence itself. Violence is the next phase. So this is the actual violent episode. It includes physical, emotional, or sexual abuse. A crime is committed. Next, we have the honeymoon stage. Abusers act differently after violent episodes. Some ignore or deny the violence. Some blame their anger on something you said or did. Some fear losing you and act genuinely sorry. This phase is often called the honeymoon phase. The abuser will try to make up for the violence, hence the romancing, the honeymoon phase. He may act sorry, send cards and flowers, buy presents, help around the house. Spend time with the kids, go to church, get counseling, or make promises. Or in Carbonation's case, cut off all their fucking hair. I'm just saying. The abuser may seek pity. It's important to realize that this phase is an attempt to draw you back into the relationship. This phase is never a real honeymoon. It's a facade, an illusion that Nature Boy is putting up so that he can continue to keep the cycles of trauma and abuse going. So again, as I always say, go out there and find that information yourself. Be a truth seeker. So if you want to see this yourself, again, this is on www.freedomwithinsite.wordpress.com/theabusecycle. So I'm only making a short video. I just had to say that. Saw the fuckery. You know, I had to call this shit out. And lastly, to all of my beautiful, intelligent, amazing, strong, compassionate warrior queens and kings who watch and take action and use their voice for power to make positive changes in the world, I just want to say I salute you and so much love and respect for you. So until next time, people, much peace and much love. And lastly, to all of my beautiful, intelligent, amazing, strong, compassionate warrior queens and kings who watch and take action and use their voice for power to make positive changes in the world, I just want to say I salute you and so much love and respect for you. So until next time, people, much peace and much love.